Hi, I'm Deborah from Deborah K Design, and I design beautiful headpieces, jewellery and veils for brides that love a little bit of attention to detail, some timeless elegance, and just love beautiful pieces that are made with lots and lots of love. So what would happen when you book a one-to-one consultation with myself in the studio? So you would come into the studio and we would have a little chat. I would ask you about your dress, where you got it from, and hopefully you'll have some pictures of what it's like. And then from that, then I can style you. I can basically guide you through the process of choosing your veil, your headpiece and your jewellery so that everything fits perfectly together. It's really difficult when you've got your dress from one place, you're having your hair done in another place, and then the accessories from myself. It's really difficult to tie it all together, but that's my job. I've been doing this for 16 years now, so I can guide you through that process and make sure that everything links in absolutely perfectly. So I would always encourage you to try on lots and lots of different headpieces and jewellery styles. You may come into the studio and you're not sure exactly what you want, but by trying on lots of different pieces, you get an idea, and I get an idea of what you don't want. And then from that, I'm listening to your reaction to pieces. You're kind of getting an idea then of what suits you, and then I can help you choose and select the perfect piece that suits your dress, suits how you're going to wear your hair, and obviously suits your own personality too. We have lots of designs in the cabinets, but don't worry if you can't find exactly what you're looking for, because that's my job. I can design something that's perfect for you, and that's the bespoke side of it. There's no extra charge for making something bespoke, as I'm going to be making the piece for you anyway, and it just makes life a little bit more interesting to make some tweaks and adjustments just to make that piece really individual and unique to you. So we would start off looking at the style of dress and an idea on how you're going to wear your hair. If you haven't decided on how you want to wear your hair, that's not a problem. All of our pieces are really flexible and really versatile, and they'll suit the majority of hairstyles. So you can change your mind and decide whether you're gonna wear your hair up or down, but have a think about if you want your headpiece to be seen in all of your photographs. So do you want it to be seen from the front, at the back, at the side? Having an idea of that is always really helpful. Try to come to the studio with a white or a cream top, something that ideally is the same kind of neckline as your wedding dress. This will give you a much better idea of the overall look. So say for instance, if you were to come with a black polo neck, you're going to really struggle to see the overall look. Our studio is totally set up for you to be able to bring your dress. So if you do have your dress, then that's great. Bring it along. You can try on the veils and the headpieces with your dress, and it'll give you a much better idea, obviously, of the overall look. If you have decided on the style that you're going to go for, then come along with your hair in, say if it's a low bun, come with a low bun. It just helps us to be able to place the headpieces in the hair so that you can have a much better idea of the finished look. So firstly, we would choose your veil. If you're going to go for a veil, not everybody does go for a veil, and that's absolutely fine. And then we'll choose your headpiece, and then we'll move to your earrings, and then a bracelet if you're going to go for a bracelet or a necklace. Your earrings really are dictated by the style of headpiece that you're going to go for. You're not going to go for a really statement earring, for instance. If you're going for a statement headpiece, it may be a little bit too much altogether. Of course, I'm 100% honest. It's my job to make you look absolutely beautiful and the best version of yourself on your wedding day. So come and see us in our beautiful studio for your one-to-one consultation, and I look forward to seeing you soon.